Hello and welcome to another episode of the Mechanical Rookies. Now, I'm currently walking towards a new project. It's not a car, and it sort of is, and it's a little bit confusing, but we're going to show you what it is in a moment. Now, there's a reason Sam's not next to me. He's just prepping himself over there. It's, another project. Now, at the end of this video, we're going to talk a bit about some of the projects we've got ongoing and some updates, and you're going to see them very soon. But in the meantime, I'm going to pass you over to Sam, and he's going to talk about this one.
Hello, and welcome to my third ZR at the moment. So, yeah, it's not any sort of just normal ZR. It's what they call a ZR Express van. So it's got metal panels instead of windows, which are literally, you can just unbolt them and put some windows back in it. Nothing special. As you've seen before, when we picked it up, there were no front end on it. And we did that were about a week or so ago. And yeah, I got a bit bored, so I just started bolting bits on it. So as you can see, it's got Moody Blue wings on it. Video for that coming soon. Bonnet, X-Power Grey, I had it back at unit for ages. And then front bumper, again, never been used in years, so hasn't been used in years, sorry. So put it on. Wheels were on there when we picked it up. It had BRM mirrors on it, so I got a set of them sent up and on. Electric mirrors as well, even better. They don't plug in because it's a BRM wiring loom in it, not a Mark II ZR wiring loom in it. So yeah, none of it plugs in. Biomorphic boot spoiler. Then again, just one that we had laying around. And then Moody Blue rear bumper with its 2 number plate slots. So yeah. So you may be wondering how I found this car. So I was scrolling on Facebook Marketplace about midnight, one Tuesday night. And I saw this come up for sale for £450, and I thought, with the only being 317 vans, I thought I need a bit of that for myself. So I messaged the guy and replies to me in about 15 minutes and says, yeah, you can have it. So it were up for sale for around, I can't remember, I think it was like 600 quid. So I said, I seen it for sale and I thought, oh, it's 600 quid. It's not, I don't really want to be paying that because I'm a ZR owner. And yeah, so I just said 450 quid and he said, yeah. So I went, oh. I went, all right, fine, we'll go buy it. And yeah, didn't read where it was. And then, yeah, I looked where it was, and yeah, it was really in Suffolk, wasn't it? And with us being Leeds area, it was 4 and a bit hours to get there, and about 4 and a bit hours to get back. So yeah, probably about an 8-hour trip just to get a rusty old ZR. So yeah, that's the extent we go when we like the cars. But yeah. So back in 2003, when this car came off the production line, it originally was an L Series diesel. So all you canal boat lovers out there, that's what this is basically. So yeah, it got used in about 2000 up to like 2008 from 2003. So one guy did 50,000 miles in a year in this. So I don't know where he's been, but yeah, fair enough. And then yeah, it got dry stored for 15 years. And then someone took the L Series out and then put a 1.8 turbo in it. And then it got left for a bit longer. And then a guy went to sell it, and one guy came over to buy it, took it out for a test drive, he basically said, I like the engine, but I don't like the car. So basically took the engine out, sold the engine, and then just left the car. And then I come along and buy it for 450 quid. And yeah, the plan is gonna put a VVC 160 engine in it. and then it'll be a Mark II, because my point of view is Mark IIs look so much better than the Mark I's, in my opinion. Maybe not be yours, and as well, it's going to be cheaper for me to make it a Mark II because I've got more Mark II panels. So yeah, be a Mark II, and then be a colour. I'm going to change the colour of it. So for X-Power Grey at the moment, in my opinion, it's a bit boring. So yeah, colour is yet to be announced.
Right then, so Sam's told you a little bit about his new project, so we'll add that to the line of ever-growing projects. And yeah, so as Sam mentioned, there's a couple of updates. So the cars that were on the channel that sort of haven't progressed recently is the Blue ZS. So there's a video coming out on that soon. So we're going to be looking at the engine. We're going to be looking at it structurally. It's a little bit rough, but it'll get done. The other one is the body panels that are now on this car that I'm stood against. The Moody Blue panels that Sam keeps describing, they are off the rare MG that we bought a few months back, and that car's currently in for paint. So you'll be seeing the rebuild of that at some point soon. And yeah, that's pretty much everything. So just a bit of a nice short video on one of Sam's new projects. And yeah, there'll be more to come shortly. See you soon.